Notches we have to go to is down Central Drive.
Down Central Drive?
Yeah, it is, yeah. Yeah,
Right, do you want to hold this for me and then talk to them?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't go anywhere, just come,
Yeah.
come up, just wait there.
Yeah, cool. Well, there's not much going on in Blackpool today. As you can see, this is what it is. It is the usual general people going shopping and doing what they have to do. That's what they're doing. It is. Well, he don't look like your usual Santander customer, does he? Really? Well, looks worse than me, really. Little pigeon there, look. I like pigeons, I do. I don't know why, but I do. The old Grand Theatre there, look. Nice old building, and what I'll tell you is it's bloody very busy every night. Look, they're coming up in there in the hordes. I live down there at go outdoors, it's just down there. Come back in the hordes in the evening, you know. Oh, Blackpool Tower there, look. You stick it up your arse, stick it up your arse. Well, Mother'sfield Town Support, you know what we sing to you, don't you? You're only one stop off Fleetwood, one stop off Fleetwood, and you can stick the Eiffel Tower up your arse. What we sing to you. And you drew with us to all bloody hell. We're winning 2-0 at half time. How the flipping hell do we lose that one then? Bloody hell. Then we lost 2-2. I don't know what we're going to do today. Well, it's I don't know what we're going to do this weekend. If we lose again, we're in trouble. We are. Right. Well, Blackpool's not all it's not up to be. The council should be spending loads more money on this town. Look, they get millions of income on this place here through revenue. Where they're spending it, God knows where. Well, it ain't on town centre or all like that, is it, you know? Come on, the buildings are dropping to fucking bits here. Oh, there's that many buildings round here dropping to bits. Just give me one, let me boys go in there and let us do it up. We can find the funds, we'll give it through charity. We'll do it up. We can make an home for homeless people and things like that, we could. And they just won't bloody well do it, would you believe? Huh? They're rotting, these buildings are rotting. You wouldn't give tuppence halfpenny for them. You bloody well wouldn't, no you wouldn't. I'll tell you and show you now. Bloody rubbish there. Now, why are they not doing no with them? What is wrong with Blackpool Council? Are they corrupt? Are they doing something wrong? What are they doing? Really? Yeah, that's what I've got to say. There you go. Well, look, I've been in big cities: Sheffield, Leeds, Bradford, Wakefield, big Yorkshire cities. They've got a lot of money. I ain't seen no like this. There you go. There ain't as many buildings just rotting and collapsing like there are in Blackpool. They're supposed to have an 18-month compulsory order on them. If they ain't not done with them in 18 months, they can be put up for sale by auction. Now, why is that not happening then? Well, really, what's going on here? There's something quite not right here. I ain't got to the bottom of it yet, but maybe I will do once upon a time if I stay here. But I don't think I am, you know. I think I'm going to disappear very shortly because I really don't like this place. It's just not what it is. It's not. Yeah, yeah.
Have you been talking to them?
Yeah, yeah, I've been
Just put
talking to
you
you.
just put the camera like that.
Yeah, yeah.
So guys, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm still with John. We're still in Blackpool. So John, I don't know what we're gonna do about getting you the housing. So what's that place, the job centre there? Can you not go there?
No,
What
well,
help? What do you get there? What kind of help?
you can't go in there because the roof went flat on floor. So for the next 2 months you can't even go in there.
Can't go in there.
No,
It's not much you can do in there.
no.
Right.
And I don't have naught to do with them anyway.
So and you said your bank is HSBC.
Yeah, yeah, it is HSBC. It's down at
Have you been in there?
Yeah, I've been in there.
Have you
yes.
been to tell them your
Yeah,
bank
yeah,
card?
I've done all that.
So
yeah.
when is your next payday?
6 days time.
6 days time.
Yeah,
So what you're gonna do is don't take all your money out.
yeah.
It's not
Well,
a good
I've not
idea.
got a bank card, so I can't.
So it's not a good idea. Just get a bit like 50 quid, something that you need. 50, 20
The
quid.
most they'll give me is £300. They can't give me any more.
You don't take anything out like just take £50, leave it there. At least it's safe.
Yeah, yeah,
Even if you lose your bank card, the money's still there.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, Jan.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I ain't ordering a new bank card.
Yeah, even if you lose it, the money is still there. But if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
take the money out and you lose it, then that's up to you. So guys, I'm still with John. I'm talking to John, and there's a lot of homeless people here.
Alright.
Do you know?
All right,
do you know
lad.
her? Then?
Yeah, yeah, she's alright, yeah.
You know her.
Yeah, she's alright.
You know a lot of them. You know a lot of the house.
She's just doing her stuff there, you know.
Is it a lot of people? A lot of
You
homeless
alright,
people.
lad? Yeah.
Hi. Oh. So can't believe like you get robbed and you don't know who robbed you. Well, you might end up finding yourself if it's a homeless person that robbed you. You'll see them. You see yourselves. If you see it, what are you gonna do? You're gonna take it back, then, innit?
You never see it again. This is the unbelievable truth.
So what do you
about
think
it.
they're gonna do with it?
You it's like it's gone invisible. You never ever see it again. Nothing.
We'll never see it again.
No.
But if they carry it around, you're gonna see it though.
They won't carry it around. And it ain't a normal person that's done it. It'll be someone that's in an house. And what they do is they have no eating in. So they want the sleeping bags, because I had 2 very, very good ones.
Yeah.
So they'll take them. So they come.
So where do you get those sleeping bags from?
Yeah.
They give it to you. The council give it to you, or
No, I buy them myself.
You bought it
money.
yourself?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
happy man singing. He is a happy guy, isn't it? Wow.
Yeah, I pay a lot of money for them, lad, I do.
You pay a lot of money and you lost it now, John. That's not good, is it?
No.
Oh God, I don't know how you're gonna
It's
get
what
another
it
one.
is, so I've become used to it. There you
You
go.
become used to it.
Yeah, it's happened many, many times to me before.
Did you?
It has.
It's about time we get you a place then to stay. Isn't it?
Yeah, when you can lock it up in a room, they can't get it. There you
Yeah,
go.
exactly. If you got
Yeah.
a place.
Look, when you're in this position, you fall asleep and you go unconscious, maybe have a little drink.
But
or
John,
whatever.
yeah, what makes you unconscious is the drink, though, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, but I like a little drink. now
Well,
and
that's
again.
not a little
And
drink,
it
that's a
is-
big drink, John.
Yeah, but it's legal. It's not. It's
Yeah, I know
not,
it's legal, but it's not when
drugs,
you.
is it? It's
Yeah,
not
but
drugs. It's
but,
not
but
illegal. There
yeah, I
you
know
go.
that, but you
Yeah.
lose your stuff. Let's go this way.
Yeah,
I'm gonna.
I know what you're saying. It's quite true, young man. It is. Yeah. I should be more responsible. Yes, I should, but.
And it's your birthday as well,
Well,
very soon.
yeah, and it's like this for me, so sometimes now and again, look, I like to get a blip away, get out of it.
You good?
I never rate
We'll say we'll have a chat to you.
Yeah.
You alright? You good? You're the one that walks in the pier, isn't it?
You're alright, man. You're alright, brother.
You're the one who walks in the pier, aren't you? I remember you.
yes,
You
I
come
know
with
him. He's a
Gaties,
good man,
karaoke
yeah.
guy, singing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
What you been up to lately?
Can't work.
Can't walk, you're late.
Yeah.
Oh. Where you coming from? Where you
I'm
coming
just
from?
going around corner, mate.
You going around the corner? Are you just walking around?
Yeah, yeah.
So what do you do nowadays?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're not homeless, are you?
No.
You got a place, don't you?
No.
Yeah, you got a place. You used to work in the pier, I remember you.
Yeah,
I used to
no.
love a bit of dancing, innit? Karaoke and all that.
Still do the
You
odd
still do
bits.
it, do you?
Yeah, but can't dance anymore.
You can't dance anymore, but you can sing though.
Yeah, I can still sing.
But you're not working anymore, are you? Oh. Well, anyway, it's good to see you.
Yeah.
Take care, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, see ya. You guys see me, I talk to anybody, everybody. So when I used to be a bouncer, he used to come around.
Yeah.
He sings, he loves dancing, he loves having his good time, love having his beer.
Yeah.
So yeah, I talk to anyone, me, you know. That's what life is about, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
He remembered me when he saw me. Yeah, life is funny. John. Well, I'm really worried about you, John, really. But the thing is, you don't have to let people know that every month when you get money, right? When you get paid, you don't want to. You don't let them know. Don't let them know. You already let them know, so you get. They will target you all the time. Every time you get your money, they will come to you.
I have to disappear on my night to get paid. I have to disappear somewhere. That's all.
So if I were you, what I would do though, like when I get paid, I will get myself a nice, not even a nice, a warm place in a warm hotel.
Yeah,
pay 15 quid or so and stay there.
Yeah, I could do that.
That's what you should do.
That's not a problem. I could do that. Yes,
because if you get paid £300, just go and stay in a hotel for like for a night or two.
I fell on the floor, lad.
He said he's got bit up, and the next thing he said he got fell on the floor. So I don't know which one is which. That's what he said first, and then it's now saying he fell on the floor. But he's not telling me who.
Tell me he's not sorted.
He's not.
You know that. You know.
He should tell us who he is. I don't. You know, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be done. Tell us. Don't be scared, John. You shouldn't be scared at all. They shouldn't be doing that to you, because the thing is, if they know like you're vulnerable and they're gonna come and beat you up and take your money, they're gonna end up doing it again.
Yeah.
So you have to speak up. Yeah, you have to speak up. Really, I'm shocked though when I saw you with a black eye. Really shocked. But anyway, I hope you will. But I don't know. I really don't know. So you said the housing option is open from 1 p.m.
Yeah.
So I would see what Sarah is gonna say.
Yeah.
Because I've not got Sarah's personal number. But the last time though, you didn't went to the housing place, because you said to me you're gonna go.
Yeah, I did. What
did they say to you?
They won't put us up on cold weather project because we're not from Blackpool.
That's rubbish.
Yeah.
Did you went with Sarah or you went alone?
We went alone, me and Joe went, and that's what they told us. Now then, what I'm going to tell you in Bradford, it don't matter where you're from, you can be from Timbuktu. If it's below freezing, you're getting in somewhere that night, yeah.
But the housing, is it? Yeah,
No,
but they need to get you a place.
What they said is we'll give you a train ticket back to Sheffield. Now, if I'd have gone back to Sheffield that night, would have got somewhere that night.
No, don't.
No, I don't think I would have.
Because the thing is, the moment they give you that train ticket, they will say to you, they will give you the
You're gone.
So you're going to start again. So what you're going to say, I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah.
The law says that if I stay here for 6 months, you will house me. Now I've stayed here more than 6 months, you still not housed me, and you're telling me I need to go back where I come from. What's that supposed to be? What's that supposed to mean? So now you gotta stick into that, John. You need to go back. I don't know.